In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Udemy support. Navigating customer support channels in today's digital age can sometimes feel like wandering through a maze. But fear not, because today I'll be guiding you through the process of contacting Udemy's support team, ensuring you can get the help and answers you need without any additional stress. First things first, let's start by gaining access to the Udemy website. This is your gateway to reaching out for support. Head over to the Udemy homepage. If you're not logged in, you'll notice a login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. It's crucial to be logged in to ensure that Udemy can assist you with account-specific queries more efficiently. Upon clicking the login button, you will be presented with a number of options for signing into your account. To keep things simple and speedy, I recommend clicking on the Google icon for a quick sign-in, given you have a Google account that's already connected to Udemy. This straightforward step bypasses the need to manually enter your login details, saving you time and effort. After selecting the Google icon, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to log in with. Select the account that's associated with your Udemy profile. This step ensures that you're logging into the correct Udemy account, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the Udemy website, where your profile photo is located. This is more than just a snapshot of your smile, it's also where you'll access the Help and Support option. Hover over your profile photo and a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll find and need to click on the Help and Support option. This is your direct link to solving any issues or getting answers to your questions. After clicking on Help and Support, you'll be redirected to a page dedicated to assisting Udemy's users. Look for and click on the Contact Us option. This action signifies that you require personalized assistance, directing you to more specific support options. Progressing through, you'll find a section titled How to Reach Our Support Team. Clicking on this is akin to opening a door to various channels through which you can communicate with Udemy's support team, ensuring you're not left navigating your concerns alone. Among these options, you'll see a direction to fill out a form. This is where you can concisely detail the nature of your query or issue. Click on the indicated link to access the form. It's essential at this stage to provide as much relevant information as possible, including any specific details related to your query or issue. This precision will assist the support team in understanding and addressing your concerns more effectively. Upon filling out the form, you'll find a Submit button at the bottom. Click on it to send your query off into the capable hands of Udemy's support team. This action completes your quest for assistance, and now it's a matter of waiting for a response. Rest assured, the support team at Udemy is prompt and will get back to you with solutions or further questions to better understand your situation. Alternatively, for those who prefer direct email communication, there's a way to reach out to Udemy's support team via email. For specific concerns such as takedowns, you can use the email address takedowns@udemy.com. This method is particularly useful for addressing more sensitive issues directly and securely. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to contacting Udemy's support team, whether it's through the automated support page or via direct email. Remember, the goal here is to make your journey as smooth as possible, allowing you to return to learning or teaching without unnecessary delays. In the world of online learning, where time and clarity are of the essence, knowing how to swiftly navigate support channels can make all the difference. Worry less about hurdles and focus more on your educational journey with Udemy. Here's to a smoother, more enjoyable learning experience. Thank you for joining me today, and don't hesitate to reach out for support when you need it. Happy learning!